Hello and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. Today, we're diving into a fantastic word that will add sparkle to your vocabulary. Now let's talk about the word of the day, elated. Feeling elated is like being on cloud 9. It means being extremely happy or overjoyed. Now, let's explore some synonyms for elated. First, thrilled. Second, ecstatic. Third, jubilant. Fourth, euphoric. And fifth, delighted. Want to improve your everyday conversation skills with the word elated? Take a look at these sentences that will give you some practice. Number 1. Winning the game made me feel elated. Number 2. She was elated when she received the good news. Number 3. I was elated to see my friends after a long time. Number 4. The children were elated when they heard about the field trip. Number 5. His elated expression showed how much he enjoyed the surprise party. Have you heard the idiom walking on air? Well, this idiom is often used to describe the sensation of extreme happiness or euphoria, similar to feeling elated. So, if someone says that they're walking on air, it means they're feeling ecstatic or overjoyed about something. It's a story time, friends. Just before we call it a day, I have a little story to share with you to understand elated better. Vidhi and Diya have been best friends since kindergarten. Vidhi's love for swimming began when she joined the school swim team, whereas Diya's artistic talent blossomed during the art class. Even though they have different hobbies, they connect through their mutual enthusiasm for exploring new experiences and encouraging each other's interest. Vidhi: Hey Diya, I have been thinking, how about we try something new together? Diya: Sure. What did you have in mind? Vidhi: Well, you love painting, right? And I'm always at the pool. What if we swap hobbies for a day? Diya: That sounds fun, but you've never been interested in painting before. Vidhi: I know, but why not give it a try? And you can join me for a swim. Later that day, Diya: Vidhi, this is amazing. I never knew painting could be so fun. Look at my abstract masterpiece. Vidhi: And look at me, swimming like a fish. Who knew? Trying something new could make us both feel so elated. Diya: Totally. Let's do this more often. Vidhi: Definitely. It's all about trying new things and feeling elated together. And that's a wrap for today's word, elated. I hope you had a great time learning this word and understanding its importance in our language. Take it one word at a time, and you'll soon become a skilled communicator. Don't miss out on subscribing to our channel for more exciting new words. Thank you for joining us and keep up the good work in your learning journey. Bye-bye.